Hi, this is the CAD/CAM Lessons channel, and in this video I'll tell you about one very important issue related to using FreeCAD version 1.1. This is a new version of FreeCAD that introduces many improvements, but it has one default setting that can cause confusion among beginner users and may lead many people to simply give up learning FreeCAD because they'll decide that this program is no good for anything. And in fact, it's very simple, very minor thing, and I don't know why this option isn't checked by default during a fresh installation of FreeCAD. And the point is that when creating reference geometry to a previous part of the solid, the reference geometry is created as regular sketch geometry, which at a later stage of creating the 3D solid causes the wire is not closed error to appear very often, which simply makes it impossible to create the next stage of the 3D solid. And to change this so that it doesn't happen, so that this reference geometry is created as construction geometry, we can do it every time. We can each time after creating such geometry change that geometry to construction geometry, and I'll show you on a simple example what this is about. I'll create some simple 3D model. Okay, a regular rectangular block, and now I'll create another sketch on the face of the solid. And we will use an edge of the solid as reference geometry. In my case, this reference geometry was created as construction geometry, but by default this geometry is created as normal sketch geometry. And now if we create some other geometry here, some sketch based on which we want to create the next part of the solid, we can't do it because the wire is not closed error appears. Because the reference geometry we created is geometry that is treated as sketch geometry, which continues to participate in creating the 3D model. And in this case, this reference geometry intersects with the sketch geometry, and here there is a problem with determining the area on the basis of which the next part of the 3D solid is to be created. This geometry simply should be construction geometry, and here, if this geometry is created as a continuous line, meaning it will be treated like sketch geometry, we can do it like this. We select this geometry and switch this geometry to construction geometry. And now there will be no problem creating the next part of the 3D solid. And if you would like this reference geometry to be created as construction geometry by default, then you simply need to select the appropriate option in FreeCAD settings. And to do this, we go to FreeCAD Preferences. On Mac, we open the FreeCAD menu and choose Preferences. On Windows, we open the Edit menu and choose Preferences. And here we go to the Sketcher tab. And here we check the option that causes external geometry to be created as construction geometry. And now, if this option is checked, then this geometry will be created as construction geometry. And reference geometry, external geometry, is something that allows you to link the next stage of a 3D solid to the previous part of the 3D solid. I'll create another sketch here on this face. I choose Create Sketch, and I'll create reference geometry based on this edge. I right click to cancel this command, and now I choose drawing a circle, and here I place this circle in the middle of this line. Here next to the cursor a symmetry constraint appeared, which will automatically cause the center point of the circle to be placed in the middle of this line. And as the diameter of the circle, I'll enter, for example, 20. I'll close this sketch, and the center of this circle will always lie in the middle of this side of the rectangle. Now I'll go to edit the first sketch, and here I'll define the constraints and dimensions of this rectangle so that later I can show you that when I change these dimensions, the circle will still lie in the middle of the side of the rectangle. Here I'll set some dimensions. Okay, I close the sketch, and regardless of what the dimensions of this solid are, this circle and the next part of the solid that we create based on this sketch will always be linked to the previous part of the solid. I'll create, for example, a pocket here. Okay, I just select this sketch based on which I want to create this pocket. I choose the pocket operation, I click OK. And now I go to edit the first sketch. I change the dimensions of this rectangle here and this dimension. I close the sketch, and regardless of what the dimensions are here, this part of the solid is linked to the previous part of the solid. That is, this pocket is linked to this solid precisely through reference geometry, through external geometry. And external geometry in FreeCAD is a very important feature. It is a basic feature in creating 3D models, because thanks to this feature, when we create a 3D model in stages, we can link the individual stages of the 3D solid with each other. This option is used very often, and recently very often there have been questions and problems related to the fact that while creating a 3D solid, while creating some solid operation, the wire is not closed error appeared. And usually this error resulted from the fact that this reference geometry by default was created as normal sketch geometry. And this option caused confusion and problems among beginner users. I think this could also cause someone just starting out with FreeCAD to simply give up on learning the program. Therefore, despite the fact that I already recorded a video on this topic, now I am also recording a video on this topic, and I think I will publish one more video on this topic because not everyone watches all videos, and I wouldn't want people to give up learning FreeCAD because of such a stupid thing. We will end this video here. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to this channel.